In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add spaces to your Instagram captions. This should work on both iOS and Android. So if you want to add spaces to your Instagram caption, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is type the caption you want to have on your Instagram caption in your notes first. Then copy it, copy everything like this. Then open your browser and search for insta-space.org. Open that website, scroll down, click on where it says please text here. Click on that, paste your text. Then click on convert it. And now it's been converted. Then click on copy text and it says the text is copied. Go back to your Instagram, post this picture, for example, click on next, and at the caption, just paste in what you've just copied, click on OK, click on share. And as you can see, if you go to the caption, there are actually spaces between your text. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.